Mark the Meerkat here with Grok Trade, with a trade from the Grok day trading chat room here. This is a trade that we had on UGAZ. This is a ETF on the natural gas, and here it was after opening, and it began to form a low base, but you could also say, hey, it's also starting to form a descending triangle. Either one of them is a bearish pattern, so I'm going to set my trade, and I'm going to set it right here at 1178, and let's see what happens next. Ready to go short, and and there, right there, I'm in now here at 178. I am short on UGAZ. So let's take this and now make this our stop. There we go. I've now changed it to a stop, and I'm going to put it at 1183 right up here. It was resistance area, and so now I've got this fine was support, could now be resistance, the 20 moving average, and this area up here. It's got to come back a long way. Let's pull it up here and let's see what happens next. Bam, 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 bam. Cool, cool, cool. It's still dropping here. We've got to bring it on up. Wow. So now it's dropping that much. I'm bringing my stop now in the money here at 1171 here. That's right by the 20, but we're getting way overextended down here. Well, gosh, we got to bring it back here all the way now. In fact, let's compress it. Let's compress it down a little bit. And look at that. We're now low basing here at 1150. Y'all see that right there at 1150, and all the moving averages are catching up. I'm bringing my stop down here to 1161 and give it a little bit of breathing room if it decides to bounce off of this new low of day. Wow, nice in the money stop here, and it's resting there a long time. So I'm setting up a half trade to cover half since I'm short. I have to buy to cover. Getting ready to take out half here if it sits down here at this 1150 very long, and it's starting to come back up. It's hitting that 8 EMA, rolling right back down. So I went ahead and I took out half here at $11.50 for 2.3% on the first half. I'm going to bring my stop down here just above this 20 moving average here. Let's pick it at 1158, and let's see where it goes from there. And just sitting here, low basing, low basing, low basing. So this is when patience really comes in handy as a trader. I mean, it took me a long time to get into this trade. Now it's taking me a long time to exit the second half, but I'm in the money. I don't have a problem with that. This sucker could turn right down, or it could pop up. If it pops up, I'll be out. And sure enough, boom, here, popped up above that 50 moving average and stopped me out at 1158 for 1.7% on the second half. So let's take a look here at this whole trade. We had a low base, also a descending triangle. When it broke below there, when the odds came in my favor, I took the trade short, and sure enough it ran down. And look at this, as it's running down, what's happening to volume? Boom! Volume is exploding. That is a very bearish move. The price action coupled with the volume there. And then it low based here on lower volume for quite a long time. In fact, like almost an hour. And then finally when it started to break to the upside, I wanted to get out. So this total trade was for 2.0% in 41 minutes. This is Mark the Meerkat. Hey, just remember that the beginning traders focus most of their energy on the entry of a trade. Consistent winning traders focus mostly on the exit, because that's where the money is. Trade well.